Hey there, food enthusiasts! Ever felt the urge to whip up a gourmet meal but ended up with a kitchen disaster? Well, I've got just the thing for you. Stick around for the next few minutes, and don't forget to click the link in the description for a special GreenChef discount. Alright, let's talk GreenChef. You know, those fancy meal kits that promise organic ingredients and delicious meals delivered right to your door? Sounds like a dream, right? But is it worth the hype and the price tag? First up, the basics. GreenChef is all about making healthy eating easy and accessible. They offer a variety of meal plans to cater to different diets: keto, paleo, vegan, Mediterranean, you name it. And yes, everything's organic. Think of it as a high-end culinary adventure without leaving your kitchen. Now let's dive into the menu. GreenChef has a rotating menu with globally inspired recipes. One week you might be savoring Moroccan chicken, the next, indulging in Thai curry. The best part? Everything comes pre-portioned and pre-measured, so you don't have to waste time hunting for exotic spices or measuring out quinoa. But let's get to the real question. How does it taste? In my experience, it's like having a professional chef in your kitchen. The flavors are bold, the ingredients are fresh, and the recipes are surprisingly easy to follow. Just follow the steps and voila! Gourmet meal ready in about 30 minutes. But let's not ignore the elephant in the room: the price. GreenChef is definitely on the premium side. It's pricier than some of the other meal kits out there, like HelloFresh or EveryPlate. But remember, we're talking about organic, sustainably sourced ingredients here. Quality comes at a cost. Plus, you're paying for the convenience of having everything delivered right to your door. Speaking of convenience, let's not forget sustainability. GreenChef prides itself on minimizing food waste and offsetting carbon emissions. So if you're an eco-conscious eater, this is a big win. But I will say, they could work on reducing plastic packaging a bit more. To wrap it up, if you love cooking but hate the hassle of meal planning and grocery shopping, GreenChef is a fantastic option. The meals are delicious, the ingredients are top-notch, and it couldn't be more convenient. Just be prepared to pay a bit extra for that premium experience. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to grab your special GreenChef discount and start your culinary adventure today. Until next time, happy cooking!